This is the I'm going to get the house and hold the bedrooms, the other home with the Hendersonville images of our system.